Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope so you all are fine and have a good time. Students, today I am going to give you the concept of a new letter. This is letter G. This is letter G. This is letter G. Now place your finger like this and like this. G. This is G. Okay, let me show you another letter G. This is letter G. This is letter G. Okay, G, 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 goat. Okay, I have this small little one, goat. This is goat. Okay, I am putting here goat. Oh, okay, now open your book. Okay, students, page number 10. This is G. This is G. This is G. G, gifts. G, gifts. G, goat. G, guitar. G, guitar. All the sound starts from G. All the sound starts from G. G, goat, gifts and guitar.